Oh man, what's up, everybody? A lot of people want to know how much I got paid after I quit the warehouse of doom. So look, I worked in a fiberglass warehouse, and if you know anything about fiberglass, then you know that if you get on your skin, you gotta take cold showers. Or if you don't take cold shower, use warm water, it's just gonna dig deeper and it's gonna feel like glass all in your skin. So your whole night, whatever, gonna be messed up, and you can feel it in your bed. So I used to work in that stuff, so it was all on me, in my hair, shirt, everywhere. Everything I had on fiberglass. It's been 2 months, and it's just now starting to go away. So yeah. So this guy right here wanted our warehouse to look like Walmart. The boss before him was okay with our warehouse being good enough as long as it was clean and not messed up. No, he said he wanted to be able to eat off the floors. So that involved a lot of cleaning, months and months of cleaning. I'm talking about to the point where it was just overwhelming. We're getting sick from having to sweep so much fiberglass up in the air that it's crazy. So one day we all get sick, and Mr. Orange Shirt gets mad because everybody is sick. Everybody, the whole warehouse can't even breathe. The fiberglass killing us. Like I can taste it in my, like I could taste the fiberglass. So one day he has to work because he basically tells us like, no, make sure this area is clean no matter what, and keep going. So rush us to clean the area. Then everybody got took out because the fiberglass in that area was called Rotzel, and it was very old. It was very old fiberglass. So it like the newer fiberglass, it was easier, but that stuff, oh my god, had me my legs was ready to give out for 2 days. How weak I was. So he had to work. He had to work a day. Him and the driver had to work. And he didn't like that. So he decides to start throwing away all the employee stuff they use. Like, so we had a water cooler in the back. He throws the water cooler. He breaks it. He throws the is all the employee like chargers and stuff. Like, oh yeah, we got speakers so we can be back here and work. And mind you, this shelf right here, our warehouse lead had to build the shelves in the warehouse when they came off a truck. They didn't pay him. They didn't even give him $17 an hour, and he was there for 18 years. And they was supposed to pay him 30. They was supposed to pay him 30. And when he asked for the raise, when he found out, they say he had to prove himself. They said, and he knew everything. Like he was the person. He the person that you go to for everything in warehouse. So imagine that. Like the boss in the yellow shirt, he just started learning this stuff. He didn't really know nothing. So it was a lot going on there. Like it was a lot going on. But he didn't like us being sick. He got mad, started breaking fans and stuff. Like imagine you are in a warehouse and it's only two fans. That's what he wanted us in a warehouse, no AC with two fans. Yeah, that's what he did, y'all. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Mine that I end up quitting when it started getting like a little better feeling outside. But yeah, he said like he broke a couple fans. He broke a couple fans, employee fans that they brought in because like big industrial ones because he like just be getting mad and just slamming shit. Like he has anger issues. So look, that's just a small story because it's so I can go get these people to tell y'all like he just at home problems, at home problems. So look, how much did I make? I ain't gonna keep boring y'all with these stories. I know I talk too much, but that story right there is crazy. But how much did I make? Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see. How much did I make? We can go to my window capture. Nah. So that was about 2 months ago. 2 months. So that's February 14th. I quit my job. Well, no, not February 14th. Well, could have been around the 14th. Boom. So this, what day did I upload that video? Let me get the exact day. They'll be able to get the exact day. Right? February. Nope. I quit on February. Oh, I worked at that other job for a couple weeks. So I quit on February 3rd. So I was still making nothing. But I went to work at the other job that I quit that job for. And I quit that job around the 20, I'll say 24th is when I quit Monday the 24th. February 24th is when I quit the other job. After quitting that job on February 3rd, on the 24th is when I finally was like, you know what? I quit my other job already. And this one, I like this one, but I know I could take it to the next level. Start focusing hard on YouTube. Boom. So I think I got a couple ticks, and then I'm like, okay, I'm finna go all in. So boom. The 24th, I made 55. 170 on the 25th. 26th, I made 170. On the 27th, that's when it jumped up. I made $800, and I was like, oh, wait. Then the 28th came around. I'm like 836, bro. It looked like GTA money. Then the first, I made 878, 748 on the second. I'm like, all right, 520 on the third. March 4th, 693. I'm like, bro. Then the 5th, when I touched that 1,000, that 1,300, I'm like, what? Then the 6th, 1,240. Then look, I had touched the 778 on the 7th. And then, hey, it's been consistent. It slowed down a little bit, but it ain't slowed down enough for me to care. My bills paid for this month too. I can pay my next month bills with the AdSense that come for next month. Like it come on. Really, I ain't gonna even say for this month. It's paid. My bills are paid for the next 8, 9 months. 8, 9 months. That was just off and that's just off. That's not including this month. That's just including last month. Cause this month we good. We good. Hey, shout out to everybody who supported me, man. Retro Gang, y'all gonna be seeing me all over YouTube. Multiple YouTube channels out there. We hitting the M's on every channel. We hitting M's from left and right. Come on, y'all. Don't let them play with y'all. Hey, we running it up, man. And this just that. Like, hey, stop playing. There's more. There's more to this. I just don't want to show everything. I just don't want to show everything. Just know. Hey, this is going up, man. Anybody can do this. I was a regular person too. I'm a regular person. I'm still a regular person, and I still go to work. They just gotta respect me. I go to any job to respect me, man. But look, Supervillain, I'm out, man.